This is the business edition of BBC World News, today with me, Tanya Beckett. Dubai has certainly seen its fair share of extravagant real estate projects, but the latest development to launch there sounds pretty spectacular, even by those standards. An 80-storey skyscraper with rotating floors that can move independently at different speeds. The developers claim that tenants will be able to watch sunrise and sunset from the same window. How confusing. Electricity will be generated by wind turbines fitted between each rotating floor. What an extraordinary piece of engineering this sounds. Well, joining me now from New York is Dr. David Fisher, the architect behind the tower. Dr. Fisher, perhaps the most extraordinary thing about this is that this tower is prefabricated.
Yeah, well, this tower, first of all, of course, as you just mentioned, is rotating, changing its shape continuously. As each floor rotates separately, the building changes its shape continuously. I call it designed by life, shaped by time. But yes, in the same time, this building is completely prefabricated. It is the first building to be done in a factory. As a matter of fact, I think from today, we should forget about old way of construction. Everything is done in a factory today. As a matter of fact, since the first industrial revolution, Manchester, 1780, if I'm not wrong. And today, still, everybody considers the trowel as a symbol of builders. Not anymore. From today or from tomorrow, building should be done in a factory. And our building is the first one to be done in an industrial facility in Italy and shipped worldwide.
Good, you can give me the trowel and I'll use it to put my makeup on in that case. Tell me about the fuel efficiency of this tower. You've talked about wind turbines, because, I mean, fuel efficiency and energy efficiency is all here. You're going to be using a lot of energy to turn those floors. So where does the energy come from?
Well, we use very little energy to rotate the floor, really. We need energy which is similar to 2 washing machines per floor, which is not too much. In the same time, the building is completely self-powered. As we put wind turbines between the floor, the same turbines that we know vertically all over the fields, wherever we have them, we are going to put them horizontally between the floors. So the building is going to be completely self-powered, completely green.
Dr. Fisher, there we must leave
yes.
it. I'd be interested briefly to know who's going to occupy this building.
Well, these buildings are going to be occupied, of course, by people that would like to be in an iconic building. But I would like to emphasize, this is the first building done in a factory, yes, for wealthy people, but it will be followed by using this technology of, as I say, not anymore the trowel, but done in a factory by any kind of buildings, rotating or not, all over the world. We will reduce the cost of construction at least by 10% worldwide.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us. A fascinating, fascinating project. India's central bank has been raising its key interest rates again. Inflation, of course, is the worry. This is the second time